Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Privacy section. Now tap on Permission Manager at the top and click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. After that, click on one of your apps and tap on the best option for you. I will go with Play Store. Now click on one of those, allow only when using the app, ask every time or deny. I want to set up allow only when using, so when I click and go back, I can set Google Play Store just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always pick any feature and then select one of your apps that you wish to manage, like YouTube. Then click on See All YouTube Permissions and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!